Hello boys and girls. So today we are still in unit 9 and the topic is on holiday. Under the subtopic of our world, you can refer to your textbook page 88. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, our learning objectives. By the end of this video, you should be able to listen and understand the diary entry, read the diary entry with correct pronunciation, answer comprehension question prompted, and identify the past tense verb used in sentences. Okay, there are 4 learning objectives that you should achieve by the end of this video. Okay, move on. Okay, now let's read the vocabs first. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vocabs given to you. And the first one, open, close, find, buy postcards, look at the stars. Alright, next, let's read it. Before we read it, I would like you to listen to this.
Dear Diary, today was a great day. In the morning, I went to the beach. I found a pretty shell. It was sunny and hot, but I didn't swim. There was a shark in the water. I didn't see it, but the lifeguard did. In the afternoon, my mother took me to the museum, but it was closed, so we didn't go in. We went to the shopping center and bought postcards. At night, my mother and I walked on the beach and looked at the stars. They were beautiful.
Alright, so you have listened to the recording of the diary entry. Now let's just reread it again, okay? Dear diary, today was a great day. In the morning, I went to the beach. I found a pretty shell. It was sunny and hot, but I didn't swim. There was a shark in the water. I didn't see it, but the lifeguard did. In the afternoon, my mother took me to the museum, but it was closed, so we didn't go in. We went to the shopping center and bought postcards. At night, my mother and I walked on the beach and looked at the stars. They were beautiful. So basically, this is a diary entry of a girl named Kathy. Okay, now let's see how much do you remember. Okay, first one, what did Katie do in the morning? So she went to the beach. What did she find on the beach? She found a pretty shell. What was the weather like? It was sunny and hot. What did the lifeguard see in the water? A shark. What did Katie mothers do in the afternoon? She took Katie to the museum. Where did they go after the museum? They went to the shopping center. What did they buy at the shopping center? They bought postcards. What did they do at night? They walked on the beach and looked at the stars. So all these answers are basically from this diary entry. So if you read it and you understand it, you will be able to answer this question correctly. Okay, move on to the next activity. Now let's dig out more. So now we are going to look at the past tense verbs that are being used in this diary entry. So there was the word was, went instead of go, found instead of find, was again instead of is, didn't swim, was instead of is, didn't see instead of don't see, did instead of does, and then took instead of take, was instead of is, didn't go instead of don't go, went instead of go again, bought instead of buy, walk instead of walk, look instead of look, and were instead of are. So if you look at these words, there are 2 categories. And what are the categories? Let's look on. Okay, there are regular and irregular verbs. So for regular verbs, you only add ed at the end of the word. But for irregular verbs, it can change. Okay, for example, is, it will become was, go, it will become when. So that is why it is called irregular verb. Okay, next one, it's time for you to answer the quiz. I'll provide the link to the quiz and you just have to answer the quiz. You don't have to print any worksheet, okay? And I think that's all from me. If you have any question or any hesitation, do reach me at this number or you can just call me, okay? Alright, stay safe everyone and have a good day. Thank you very much.